Hello, this is Marty Ettington. I'd like to talk to you about my book, The Enlightenment Experience. What is the Enlightenment Experience? Many books have been written, lectures given, and videos created to explain that mystical state called enlightenment. Through my many years of studies and experiences of the spiritual and metaphysical, I've had some experiences which were very powerful, and some which are with me every day. These experiences are levels of enlightenment which we experience when we pass certain milestones in our spiritual development. It can be in the form of intense vital forces, cosmic consciousness, unconditional love, or many other manifestations. What I also believe is that we and everything around us are continually evolving, and the levels of consciousness we can experience are infinite. In this book, I've taken a different approach than more normal analytical writings. This one is written as a flow of consciousness to help the reader get some concept of what these different experiences are and to cover the range of experiences which people have written about. So chapters in the book include different stages of enlightenment, living timelessly, having an open heart, my own experiences, which was a heart-opening experience, multidimensional awareness, oneness and detachment, being versus doing, seeing the ego as a focusing tool, the illusion of power and the power of illusion. So anyway, a lot of thoughts as well as stories by people who have claimed to have been enlightened. There's a lot of stories in there about that too. So I hope after reading this book, you'll have a much better idea of what enlightenment is all about and what you can actually achieve through your own efforts in meditation and other related efforts. You'll find this book on my website at MKEttingtonbooks.com, and it's in the spiritual category of books. Thanks for listening.